Well, hey there. Welcome to my review of ClickyPay. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and today we're going to be talking about very quickly a system that allows you just to click on websites and advertisements and get paid for every click. And so what we're going to do here is I'm on my bonus page. There is no members area for this to show you. But to get to my bonus page here from YouTube, just go ahead and click on the link below that says get ClickyPay and my exclusive bonuses here. And when you click on that link, it'll take you to this page where we are. And also while you're on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you very much. All right, so I'm on my bonus page here. We're going to talk real briefly. It's a very simple program about ClickyPay. And while I'm here also, I had this attention bar pop up here. Did you like my intro video? Well, you can create your own intro videos for your own videos. So from my bonus page here, just click on the link that pops down that says create your own outstanding intro and outro videos. Get it here, click on that, and it'll take you over to the page to explain the software where you can make unlimited intro and outro videos to your heart's desire. All right, so let's get to ClickyPay. ClickyPay, every 30 seconds, I'm getting $2.50 over and over again. And just for clicking on advertisements here. So basically that's all that it's all about. We're the world's first system that pays us to click on advertisement. Every 30 seconds equals we're getting paid $2.50 over and over again just for clicking on the advertisement. We don't wait to get paid. There are no extra fees. There's no BS. A guaranteed way to make money online in 2021 and beyond. So what is this going to cost? It is $19, but if you go over to the sales page, and of course if you're on a computer, this is the sales page, and if you attempt to leave it, of course you get that $2 off coupon, so $17 for ClickyPay today. All right, and so and then there's some upsells for you here. Upsell number 1, ClickyPay Unlimited. And so these removes the limits from your account, to put ClickyPay on hyperdrive so you can maximize your ClickyPay to its fullest and avoid leaving profits on the table. Get an unfair advantage over the others using ClickyPay. All right, so $47 for that. Upsell number 2 is the ClickyPay Done for You. So this generates 100% hands-free income while we do all of the work for you. We'll set up your account with Done For You campaign, so it's guaranteed to start flooding you with profits. Save time, by getting it done for you. Upsell number 3, ClickyPay hands-free automation for $97. Enjoy hands-free income by fully automating ClickyPay. Traffic, sales, profit keep rolling in on autopilot 24/7, 365. Upsell number 4 is Income Multiplier for $47. Earn 5 times more money with your ClickyPay account without any extra work. Turn $500 paydays into $2,500 paydays. Copy and paste the exact Done For You monetization campaigns we use to generate $32,000 in 30 days. All right, upsell number 5, ClickyPay Limitless Traffic for $167. Instantly tap into our personal diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. The exact traffic secret we use to generate $400,000 in 4 months, averaging $100,000 per month. Like literally owning a virtual ATM machine. Okay, and upsell number 6 is ClickyPay franchise license for $297. Become the official franchise partner. Sell ClickyPay while keeping the commissions plus guaranteed approval. Get paid up to $1,120 per visitor you send to us. Business in a box. And upsell number 7, ClickyPay Emergency Cash for $67. This emergency cash method, accidentally found out by a ClickyPay beta tester, pockets us an additional $505.42 a day while just 5 minutes of work. Works surprisingly well with ClickyPay. We've seen 7-time income boost with this emergency cash. All right. So benefits, you know, we've made over $59,000 in profit with ClickyPay. 32 beta testers made money. No hard work. We just click on ads and get paid. Get started in just 1 to 2 minutes. 100% brand new, not done before. Fully ethical and legal. Even beginners are making money with ClickyPay. And all this is covered with a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So to go ahead and get your ClickyPay, you can click any of the banners, these yellow banners on my bonus page here that take you over to the sales page to get your ClickyPay. Now, I do have some bonuses if you decide to pick up ClickyPay through my link today. Bonus number 1 is called Cleopatra. A breakthrough app finds and monetizes free traffic from an untapped source of 500 million buyers. Bonus number 2 is called YT Velocity. Unlock the set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. Bonus number 3 is Accelerate. The system generates $1,000 days without spending a dime. And bonus number 4, TweetX. This app makes $476 every day. All it took was just a couple of minutes to get it set up and activated. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that ClickyPay and the developer are giving to you when you get ClickyPay today. All right, and so once again, the yellow banners on my page, we'll go ahead and get it. ClickyPay is live right now, and but it does end, you know, in 4.5 days, and so go ahead and pick it up. So this is found through the Warrior Plus platform, and that takes us pretty much to the end. Let me give you another reminder. For one, go ahead and get your intro and outro video creator. And number 2, go ahead and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up and click the bell. We're in good shape. All right, so that's it. Thank you for taking the time to watching this review and my bonuses for ClickyPay. And as always, to your success.